Panguva inozvonzi there are plans to close the Beitbridge border post from the South African side on the 31st of March. Sanapinda mashoko obulanyorwa panapa atikuna kuzi anzi ku South Africa panguva ino voda kuplana maprotest aiwa musa 31 March arikuonekwa kunzi anti-mnangagwa protest the government. Kuti subscribe or like on the bell kuti ipina panapa pane mapost ari kuripostiwa aiwa ne vana majaraja zvamuri kuona vamudanyora chiti Zimbabwe plans to protest in South Africa. Zimbabweans living in South Africa have asked all foreign nationals in the country to join them in their planned protests at the Union buildings in the Zimbabwean embassy in Pretoria on the 31st. Majara Jaros Anochi reposted this post about corner in a picture of Rakanzi call on action and the national shutdown, calling for all Zimbabwean citizens, South African, Mozambique, Lesotho, Malawi, DRC nationals, buses and the truck operations, civic organization from township to embark on a national shutdown. Purpose of the protest: seeking feedback from Zimbabwe Embassy and South African President Ramaphosa intervention. Place of protest in areas: number 1, Office of President, Union Building, Pretoria. Number 2, Embassy of Zimbabwe seeking feedbacks, 14 days memorandum demands, 798 Barton Avenue, Pretoria. Everyone around Gauteng, South Africa must join us at the mentioned areas above. Date of protest 31 March 2025. Tomashkara buda panapa tukuna South Africa zvonzi aiwa voda kukonzeresa voda kuno ita maprotest ari kunoka kunzi maprotest panguva inoi achatokonzeresa kuto vharwa kwethe Beitbridge border post vachiprotesta pamusoro aiwa pekes ikuitika munyika yeZimbabwe pamusoro pemutungamiri wenyika ari kunzi aiwa he must go. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko chipinda comment section yedu. Subscribe or like